Hey everyone, my name's Andy and this is my 1973 Volkswagen Thing. I found this car a few years ago. It was in a house fire. I have met the owner. That house was on fire and he has showed me a bunch of pictures. It's kind of wild what this thing has turned out to be. You can see on the outside it's a very patina look, but with some patina sauce on the outside, it really brought out the colors. I've got 17-inch wheels all around. I think 17 by 6 and 17 by maybe 6.5 with a peach ice cream is the powder coating color, and I was lucky to find some seats that actually match that color. I think it's probably the only peach colored faux leather that's in the United States. I probably own it all now, as I have a nice big roll of it in my house. If anybody needs it, hit me up. I put it all on air shocks in the front, complemented with AccuAir system in the back. You can see all the hard lines. It's my first time running hard lines. Definitely difficult at first, but we finally got the hang of it. It was really hard, as you can see in the back of the wall. The tank's a little bit close, so getting the lines back there was definitely a pain point. It was originally, I believe, a yellow color. Before the fire, you can see that kind of popping through a little bit, even to the complement of peach in the motor. The motor is a 1835 single car because I'm a bad boy. And if you can see, there's a bunch of little holes in the car. If you can find the little Lego head, then you have succeeded. But it's on bags. I wish it went a little bit lower. Made this custom side skirt just to give it a little bit more of a drop. But it's a wavy car from the fire. But I love the way it looks. So you can find me on Instagram at BLNK181. If you get the joke, then you get 5 points. My name's Andy, and it's been good talking to you.
Thank you.